Welcome to home cooking. It is easy, everyone can cook. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make sweet egg roll. Egg rolls are an easy dish. Great for snacks and school lunchbox. Ingredient you will need: 3 eggs, ground pepper, 1 tablespoon chopped spring onion, 1 tablespoon chopped white onion, 1 tablespoon chopped bell pepper, 1 tablespoon milk, 1½ tablespoon thin soy sauce, 3 teaspoons sugar, cooking oil. Let's get started. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. Add thin soy sauce. Add sugar. Add milk. Add ground black pepper. Whisk until combined. Then strain to remove air bubbles. Liquid without lumps is helpful in making egg roll successfully. Add chopped red bell pepper. Add chopped white onion. Add chopped spring onion. Then mix well. Heat the frying pan on over low heat. Add cooking oil. When oil is hot, pour half egg mixture. Cook it over until half done. Roll the eggs. And move the eggs roll to the bottom of the pan. Add the another half egg mixture to cover the top half of the pan. Cook until half done. And roll again all the way up, then leave cooked egg roll for 1 minute to ensure it is cooked all the way through. Turn off the heat. Transfer to a cutting board. Let cool before cutting. Slice into bite-sized pieces and serve for snack or serve with jasmine rice. Enjoy!